What's going on these back roads and these paved streets? My name is Keisha and I am a homesteader. Today I will be telling you what's going in my fall garden. And y'all know number one on the list is lettuce. And I know, lettuce can be boring, but it also can be exciting because you use it for your salads, you can put it on a sandwich, you can use it for Taco Tuesday, aka what I do is Nacho Tuesday. Number two would be cabbage. Your girl love her some cabbage. Cabbage with some sweet potatoes, aka candy yams, pork chop, neck bone. Perfect meal for me. I don't know if I'm being country or not, but I mix my candy yams and my cabbage together and eat them together like how some people put their cornbread with their pinto beans and eat them together. Yeah, that's me. Number three on the list would be carrots. I love carrots. I used to like glaze my carrots, put like a little brown sugar in the pot or whatever. And I'm taking sugar out of my life. Me and sugar are not having a good relationship. You can't completely give up sugar, but I'm going to try to give it up to the best of my abilities. And while we talking about giving up stuff, I'm trying to give up pork as well. Be calling me. Y'all put me on y'all prayer list. It don't matter who you pray for, unless you pray for him downstairs. If you pray for him downstairs, don't put me on your list. Spinach. Yes, today. I cannot wait. Actually, I only got 3 spinaches, so I don't know if the seeds were old. I might go buy some more and then try this all over again because I want plenty of spinach. I love me some spinach dip. I feel like the restaurants don't make it like I can make it. So therefore, spinach is definitely on the list. I don't even know what number I'm on. I'm a number on the screen. Next, kohlrabi. Wow, those look like little cabbages. Don't they look like little cabbages? See y'all? That's what it looks like to me. Little bitty cabbages. And I was like, they look good, but your mama say everything that look good to you ain't good for you. Now, it might be good for you, but I don't know about the taste bud part but it kind of reminds me, have y'all ever been to like a cookout or something and y'all saw that spaghetti and you were like, dang, that spaghetti look good. And then when everybody line up to get their plates and everything, fix their plates, then you pile up your plate with spaghetti and then you taste it and you like, and then you got to try to figure out how to get rid of it without everybody seeing you chunk that mess in the garbage. That's what it remind me of. It may be delicious, but I'm only going to plant maybe 3 because I don't want to be chunking nothing in the garbage because I don't know who else can eat it. But it may be delicious. I don't know. The next thing is beets. I'm getting ate up by mosquitoes out here, y'all. It's actually dark. Now, I've been told that beets some people say that it's nasty. Some people that say that it's good. Some people say it's kind of got like a sour. Some people say it's bitter. I don't know. But I'm going to put it in my smoothie because once you put pineapples and all them fruits in there, you don't even taste them vegetables, no way. So I'm going to put it in with my fruit and use it as a smoothie because it got every health benefit there is. They say it's good for your heart, good for your liver, good for your sugar, good for your, what was it? I don't know. It's just good. So definitely going to have those beets. The next thing would be onions. Onions to me is like a friend repellent. You know what I'm saying? Because have you ever had that friend with bad breath? That's what onions put me in the mind of. I never really like to eat onions because it make your breath stink. Period. It make your breath stink. So, but my mother loves onions and I put onions on certain things, but I just don't put it on everything. I won't eat it on like a burger or something like that. But I will eat onion, but it's going to have to be like a sauteed type deal. I can't just be eating raw onions like that. That ain't my judge. Broccoli is the next one. Y'all, broccoli. I can put it in with my smoothies. I'll eat it raw, but I love to eat broccoli steamed and I put that little cheese on top and just get the snacking because it's delicious. And then I got like a little mystery pack, some purple broccoli, and it is so cute. I'm gonna have to put it up on the screen. It is gorgeous. All right. And I have 2, I guess what you would call it herbs because I am planting cilantro and I'm also planting, now y'all can correct me, is it valerian? That's what I'm planting. And those also have health benefits. Y'all, I will stay up all night. And they say that valerian, you can take it, like especially the root and make a tea with it and it'll put you straight to sleep. And I don't want to be dead to the world where I can't hear what's going on, but I'll be up all night. My mind be racing. I need to get some sleep before I start getting bags up underneath these eyes. And I feel like I'm missing something. What am I missing? Let me see. Lettuce, cabbage, carrots, spinach, beets, kohlrabi. I know what it was. I forgot about this one. I have never ever heard of this in my life. It came in a mystery tag. So I said I'm gonna try it because it looks like either like a head of lettuce or it looks like a cabbage. And like I said, it might be one of them things that look good to you, but the taste bud said it ain't good. Oh yeah. Anyway, that is my list. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section. And with that being said, y'all already know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna have to trespass you. Y'all have overstayed your welcome, and I'm gonna need you to get off my land. Bye. Next time on Just Asking for a Friend.
Recently on Miss T with the T, I was told by her co star, Pooh Hef, that I should give a tour of the property. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys where everything is going to go and just kind of show you guys around.